Hey guys, how we doing? My name is Amanda Turner and I'm a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Today I'm taking you on a tour of 3 homes, all within the price range of $421,000 US dollars to $495,000 US dollars. But before we get started, if you are looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, please contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. If you're thinking about buying in this area and you are not in the area, send me an email and I can send you some links to properties that will be in your price range so you can get an idea of what's on the market. If you are in the area and you'd like to go on tour, give me a shout. If you are looking to sell, you can email me. I can come over and do an opinion of value and some market analysis so that you can figure out the max amount your house will sell for right now. Also, feel free to visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the MLS if you'd like to browse homes. And on my website, you'll also find a link to our bed and breakfast and our cafe. Both just won Best of Lake Chapala for Best Bed and Breakfast and Best Coffee for the 2nd year in a row. And they are located in Ajijic Centro. So we'd love it if you would like to come stay with us on your visit to Lake Chapala. And if you are a local, the cafe is open every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And we have really good coffee. Last but not least, please do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments below because I love chatting with you guys. Okay, let's get on with it. First house we're looking at today is located in Estrellita, which is right over the mountain across from Ajijic. This is actually a pretty up and coming area because as Ajijic has more concentration of people, things start to spread out, and it's been spreading to West Ajijic for a while. And you've got San Antonio and Riberas and Chapala over there, but it's starting to go that direction north towards Guadalajara. And East Lahuacan is kind of growing up, this little town, and it's cute and it's clean. And actually in that area, there's a lot of nature. There's so much land available for sale over there and homes available at a great price. And let me tell you, in the next few years, it's gonna boom over there. Let's go check it out. This home is listed for $421,000 US dollars. It's a 5-bedroom, 7.5 bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 445 square meters or 4,785 square feet. The lot size is 1,047 square meters or 11,270 square feet. The HOA is 7,655 pesos annually. It comes furnished and it's located in Ixtlahuacan. All right, guys, here's our home in question. Home number 1 on the tour. Okay, check this out. Remember how I said there's a lot of natural habitation around here? Lots of land ready to be snatched up. Okay, we are in the neighborhood of Agua Escondida. And if you take this road, I'm pretty sure you can just leave the house from right here and go down. And this is your exit right here. This is the highway either to Ajijic or to Guadalajara. So here's our house right here. Once you exit out right here, there's an underpass right here that will take you back this direction. Or you can exit here and go up this direction, okay? So this is the town of Ixtlahuacan, and it is also its own municipality. So you will find all of your government services and buildings through here. You're going to find hospitals. You're going to find grocery shopping, restaurants. This is the plaza. Let me see how long it will take us to get from this house to Ajijic. Okay, so 26 minutes to go through there. And today is Friday at 6 p.m. If you were to go from that house to the airport, it would take you 29 minutes on a Friday at 6 p.m. Okay, second home on our tour today is located in El Dorado, which is on the Libramiento as you are coming into Ajijic. And El Dorado is one of my favorite gated communities in the area. The homes are super cute, and the clubhouse is very well accommodated. There's a very nice infinity pool, a walking track, tennis courts, gym. What else has it got? Full kitchen with tables if you want to entertain, and like a massage / yoga room. Let's go see it. Home number 2 on the tour is listed at $438,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 278 square meters or 2,992 square feet. Your lot size is 331 square meters or 3,559 square feet. The HOA is 4,500 pesos per month. It comes with an optional furniture package that you can purchase, and it's located in El Dorado in San Antonio, Tlayacapan. All right, home number 2 on our tour is right here. This is located within the gated community of El Dorado. Here's your clubhouse right here with your pool and everything and your tennis pickleball courts. You would come out of this house and exit right here onto the Libramiento. You've got a medical center right here with ambulances. So it would literally take them seconds to get to you. You also have the fire station right here. So if the house is here, here's the fire station. So very close to all emergency services. Let's zoom out a little bit. Your gas station's right here. This is the Libramiento that takes you into Ajijic. Or or into Chapala if you wish, or into Guadalajara and the airport up there. So what is near you? The closest thing to you for big time shopping is Walmart, which is right here. Notice there's also an AutoZone if you need it. And right here is Centro Laguna Mall, and this has movie theaters, a food court, some shopping. Telcel is in there if you need a new cell phone. Third house on tour today is located in Chula Vista Norte, which is also on the Libramiento. I've had someone mention that this house kind of reminds them of Tulum and the decor there and the type of architecture and whatnot. So this is a new build and it's very beautiful. It has an excellent view of the lake. Let's go see it. This home is listed at $495,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 177 square meters or 1,905 square feet. The lot size is 272 square meters or 2,926 square feet. The HOA is 1,500 pesos per month. It comes furnished and it's located in Chula Vista Norte. Okay, third home on our tour is located right here. This is pre-built, so let's just pretend the house is right there. Okay, so it's right there. Now you'll see that we are located within the gated community of Chula Vista Norte, and to exit would be right here, and this takes you out onto the Libramiento. And Las Palmas is a really good restaurant. It's just right outside the gate of Chula Vista Norte. Okay, the home prior to this one was located right here in El Dorado. So everything from the previous one applies to this one. Gas station, mall, Walmart. Alrighty guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next week. Bye.